To infinity and beyond. Let your voice reach above your language limits with our dubbing and voiceover services. Release your content in any language, dialect or variety, and even in different accents, recorded by expert voice actors and actresses specialized in your content type, multimedia formats, and accessibility needs. Do you need a bit of ad-lib for your films? No problem. An off-screen narrator for your documentary or tutorial? Perfect. A twin voice for your whole cast in another language? Absolutely. A smooth and whimsical voice for audio descriptions at museums, cinemas, theaters or tours. Yes, with passion, our pleasure. What's more, we will review, translate and adapt the original scripts to make sure the recording is of utmost quality, captivates and dazzles your audience. And if you don't have a script, we'll produce it based on the provided content, which we can also translate and adapt for you. Our team of audiovisual translation experts will assist you from beginning to end, coordinate with our voice actors and run bilingual supervisions and quality checks throughout the whole process, from the script translation and adaptation to supervising the recording sessions and even to audio editing and post-production. Take your production to the next level with our dubbing, voiceover, audio description and our many other audiovisual translation services. Date translations.
Go global. Create something beautiful.